Now, who doesn't want glowing, radiant skin? We all know how to get that with a healthy diet, a good skincare routine. But if you're looking for an instant radiant boost, you've come to the right place. Hi, I'm Naima, and today I'm going to show you some quick beauty hacks on how you can get instantly glowing skin. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. In order to get your skin glowing, you need to start with a hydrating skincare routine to uplift that natural dewiness of your skin. Mix your favorite moisturizer with a primer. And while applying this concoction on your skin, focus on the areas that are prone to oil, just like your T-zone. Picking the correct foundation and concealer shade is the key to that glow. Also, maintaining a hydrating base is something that's going to give you that lid from within. On a mixing plate, pump out a few drops of foundation, as much as you think you need for your coverage. Add a few drops of face oil in it. Remember that less is more and you can always take more color later. I recommend using a beauty blender or a beauty sponge to blend this all over your face for a smooth finish with the most natural looking glow. You may want to focus on dotting the areas that you think require more coverage than the rest of the face. Moving on to the eyes, and to maintain this dewiness here, I'm going to use a cream eyeshadow. However, if you don't have a cream eyeshadow, you can always create your very own cream eyeshadow, and I'm going to show you the most fabulous hack on how you can make it. While you can do this with a matte eyeshadow, I would recommend using a satin or glitter eyeshadow, because turning this into a cream consistency will not only uplift the pigments but also adhere to the eyelids better. For this hack, you have to just scrape out a little bit of your glitter eyeshadow on a mixing plate and add some primer to it. Once you've mixed both these ingredients well, your cream eyeshadow is ready. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to apply this. But first, I'm going to use a transition color, which is ideally matte. I'm going with a brick brown that has a slightly pink undertone to it, just in the crease area and my lower lash line. And then with a flat brush, I'm going to apply my very own created cream eyeshadow just on the lid area. So I'm going with a brown pencil instead of a black kohl pencil because I don't want the look to be very harsh. So this brown helps to keep the softness and dewiness. And don't forget to end with lots and lots of mascara. So now that we're done with the base, now we come to the most important aspect of this dewy face, which is highlighter, which is also my favorite part. So we all know that the most commonly highlighted area is our high cheekbones. But did you also know that there are several other places that you need to highlight, just like your T-zone, your cupid's bow and the chin. Also the area below the eyebrow. These are the highlighted points of your face. So this is the color that I'm going to be using as highlighter. Also going to give you a pro tip, and that is you can use a shimmery eyeshadow as highlighter if you don't have one. So here you can see the light reflecting on my highlight points, giving me that stunning glow. Remember to highlight well, because this is also the biggest key to your glowy, dewy face. Moving on, instead of a contour stick, I recommend using a bronzer. Why? This is because it adds that natural radiance and warmth to your face. I'm going to use this beautiful brick illuminating palette. All you gotta do is mix the bronzer along with these pretty shades to give you that warmth and that sun-kissed looking face. Starting with your cheekbones, of course, but I'm also going to go around the frame of the face and a little bit on my nose. And on the chin area, if you're chubby like me, make sure you blend this in circular motions. Lastly, if you want pouty, glossy lips, finish with using a matte lipstick, ideally something between a light pink and a nude, and then go over with some gloss just in the pout area. This creates an illusion of a fuller lip. I hope you like this video as much as I enjoyed doing it. Try these tips, I bet you're gonna glow like a goddess. Before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful.